Alright guys, right here on the docs mini app you can see airdrop checklist, and if you click on it you will see prepare your wallet, install Tonkeeper, and the second one there they say get gas for stars. Now what does this supposed to mean? This simply means these are the things you need in order to claim docs token, right? So first thing there is that you must have a Tonkeeper, which I know everyone here watching this video have that one, right? And the second thing here you need is to get some stars right there as a gas fee. So in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to get stars for yourself right here on Telegram. So guys, before I dive in today's video, please, if you are coming across my channel for the first time and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my updates. Don't forget, here I give updates on latest airdrop, okay? So consider being my subscriber if you're watching this video. And without wasting much of your time, let's dive in today's video. Alright guys, so to get started, if you don't have a Tonkeeper yet, go over to your Apple or Google Play Store and get yourself a Tonkeeper, right? So since I already have it, I'll go ahead and open it, and you can see right here it's loading. So alright, so you can see right here, this is my Tonkeeper. You can see the numbers of ton which I have here. I have here 0.22 worth of tons, right? So to buy this for yourself, all you need to do is to click on this browser right here at the bottom of this app, okay? So from here, what you need to do is to scroll down, right? Scroll down. You can see right here fragments, buy/set Telegram usernames and anonymous numbers, right? So you click on it. Alright, so you can see this is the interface. This is fragment.com interface. This is how it looks like. You can see here buy and sell usernames. Right, so from here the next thing you need to do is to click on stars here, and that is it. You can see buy Telegram stars, and at the bottom they are asking you to connect your ton, right? So what you need to do here is to click on connect ton. So you click on it, and this is what you see. You can see here connect to fragment.com, and the next thing to do here is to go ahead and click on connect wallet. And right here what you need to do here is to either put your fingerprints or you type in your password. So I will go ahead and type my password here, right? You can see they are done. So guys, you can see right here the first thing there is to choose the username where you want to send these stars to, right? So what I'm going to do here is, since I'm sending to my own account, I'm going to search for ads. I'm going to search for legit starry, right? You can see right there my name just appeared. That is my profile picture, okay? So the next thing to do here is to choose quantity of Telegram stars, right? So what we need here, I don't know the amount of stars you want to buy. Right here I want to buy 50 stars here, and you can see to purchase this it will cost you the sum of 0.1146 worth of ton, right? So the next thing you need to do here is to go ahead and click on buy 50 Telegram stars at the bottom right here, okay? So you go ahead and click on that, and once you click on that, this is what you will see: buy stars for legit starry, right? So the next thing to do here is to go ahead and click on the buy stars at the bottom, and you can see right here. So what you need to do here is to slide to your right in order to confirm this transaction. You can see right here what if it cost you to get this transaction done at the bottom here, 0.74 ton, right? So I will advise you to have at least 0.2 worth of tons here on your wallet. So you go ahead and slide, and you can see, so you tap your fingerprints, okay? So we wait for this thing to load. You can see right here done, recording in blockchain, right? So we wait for a while why they process the transaction, okay? So let's wait. Okay, so guys, if you have watched this video to this moment and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Okay, thanks for doing that. So you can see right here, stars acquired. You bought 50 Telegram stars, right? So if you want to buy more, you can go ahead and buy more if you want to do that. All right, so guys, the next thing to do here is to go ahead and confirm if this stars has been sent to your Telegram, right? So I will close this and go back to my Telegram app. So you can see the notification here from Telegram. Okay, if I open it, you will see, okay, right here you can see unknown user sent you a gift for 0.75. so you view it, you can see right here, this is received gift 50 stars. Use these stars to unlock content and services on Telegram, right? So to go ahead and check your stars, you click on the settings button here and scroll down. So you can see here my stars. If you click on it, you can see right here 50 stars, right? So guys, that is how to successfully get stars on Telegram, right? So that is it. All right guys, so at this moment I can see a lot of persons are finding it difficult to get turned for this transaction. So if you need turn, you can chat me up on WhatsApp via the link in the description. And if you also need these stars, like if you want me to buy stars for you, just in case you are finding it difficult to do that, the process, if you see it to be difficult, right, so you can chat me up on WhatsApp via the link in my description. I'm going to do that for you with ease. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this video. Please, if you find this video valuable, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and please turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video like this, you'll be notified. And also guys, for early access to updates like this, you can join my Telegram channel via the link in the description, or you can also join my WhatsApp group. Okay, just check the link in the description. I'm going to paste the link to all this right there in my description. So make sure you join my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group for early access to updates like this. As I'm talking to you right now, all the members on my channel, they have already carried out this. So that is one of the advantage of being a member of my community, right? So thank you guys, and see you in my next video.